Ano, 96 degrees
Okay.
today.
Let's get inside. It's so hot.
So hot. Happy Father's Day, Jamie. We are here in our backyard barbecuing. And we also ordered some food from Chinatown just for an additional food for Father's Day. What's your nanay? Be? Bea? Padala ko ni siya.
This is Father's Day 4 plus. Look.
Oh,
This is,
flash
Father's Day
hazard!
4 plus.
Oh my God! What's that, Dad?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Ito nga lang.
Hotdog. Damo. Handa tatay ba?
Ikapunta nyo.
Meron?
Okay.
Favorite ni Bray ang
Kaya liw po,
ano.
excuse
May
me.
ito na to si daddy mo yan.
Kisa na
Pansit.
yung may excuse ha. May
sige.
ikuhaan na yung pansit. Hindi ko ma... Okay, akin na. Guntingan ko niya, oh.
Crispy pata.
Pili mo.
And Brie is talking to you, Jamie. Happy Father's Day. Flash, flash. Flash, flash. There's Brie. Talking to you, Jamie. There's only 4 of us here. Happy Father's Day, Tay. Happy Father's Day,
Thank
Jamie.
you, thank you.
Ganda ka, Bel?
Ako na.
Ha?
Ako na baso.
Ah. Tapos sa to tayo, sagwa?
Oh, wala pang ano, yung pinapalangayan ko lang ang
Ah.
backleaves.
Be?
Damo, ito ginanda pag
Wala mo eh.
ibutang na ni isang ano, sa sawan, kido nagmalang.
Chicken. May duck pa diyo tayo, no?